Today we are reading Llama Llama Meets the Babysitter, an Anna Dewdney book. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep, homeschool learning, or classroom discussion and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning printables and activity ideas and access to my no prep full year printable and play-based preschool curriculum bundles. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions and learning activities. Now let's read Llama Llama Meets the Babysitter. Llama Llama having toast. Llama loves the meal the most. The start of every happy day. Mama has some things to say. I have something new to talk about. Tonight I will be going out. Graham can't come as normal, but I have a plan you'll like a lot. Just as always, we'll have dinner, and then you'll have a babysitter. Someone to be here while I'm gone. Don't worry, dear, it won't be long. A baby what? That's not the same. Does the sitter have a name? You've met Molly. She's fun and kind. When she gets here, you won't mind. We're not the same, yes, that's true, but she will take good care of you. Will she want to ride my bike? Will she read the books I like? Will she play my favorite games? Will she even know my name? Of course she knows you, Llama dear. You'll have fun while I'm not here. Will she know to make my snack? And what if you do not come back? Llama Llama, you'll be fine. Molly does this all the time. No need to fret, no need to moan. Of course I will be coming home. Llama Llama feeling sad. Llama getting oh so mad. Llama's brain starts to fizz. Why does this sitter think she is? I won't be nice. I won't have fun. Instead, I will run, run, run. The doorbell rings. Now she's here. Come say hello, Llama dear. Llama peeks around the door. Wait, here's someone he's seen before. I know you. You scoop ice cream. Yes, I'm Molly. Llama beams. What's in the bag? I've brought samples, vanilla chocolate and pineapple. Mama Llama blows a kiss. I think you both are fine with this. Mama's gone now, out the door, treats with Molly, and so much more. Play in the yard, jump up and down, kick the ball and run around. Ice cream, reading, hide and seek. Llama could do this all week. Fluff the pillow for Llama's head, time to brush and off to bed. Molly and Mama are not the same, but Llama's glad the sitter came. Almost asleep and not alone, Molly's here, Mama's almost home. Light from the door, just a crack. Mama Llama, you came back. Little Llama, I told you so. Now it's Molly's turn to go. Okay, Mama, time to sleep. Can Molly come again next week? What was your favorite part of this book? What happened first, next, then, and last? As I ask these questions, feel free to pause the video and discuss the answers or jot them down. You can also scroll back through the pages, as a good reading skill is rereading to find the answers and ensure you comprehend every page. What is the setting of the story? When and where does it happen? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe their traits. How do they look and act? Describe their appearance and personalities. What is the main conflict or problem? How and why do the characters respond to the problem, and how is it solved or resolved? What do the characters learn in the story, and what can you learn from them? What is the lesson or theme? What can you learn from this story, and how can you apply it to your own life? Even if you don't have a babysitter or you're not afraid to have babysitters, experiencing new things can always feel a little scary. What are some new things you haven't experienced yet that you might experience in the future that make you nervous? How can you overcome those fears and get excited about trying new things and having new experiences? Write or draw what you can learn from this book and how you can apply it to your own life. You can also try drawing your favorite characters or scenes from this book, or make up your own book about experiencing something new and learning that you are safe no matter what. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free printable learning activities and for no prep, full year, complete principal and play-based preschool curriculums. Thank you for reading with me.